we suitably adjust the same intensity of light radiation at various frequencies and study of variation of photocurrent with collector plate potential. Now, you can see the variation of photoelectric current with collector plate potential for different frequencies of incident radiation. The stopping potentials are of the order V03 greater than V02 greater than V01 and having the same saturation current. Thus, we obtain different values of stopping potential but same value of saturation current for incident radiation of different frequencies. The energy of emitted electrons depends on the frequency of incident radiation. The stopping potential is more negative for higher frequency of incident radiation. The stopping potential is of order V03 greater than V02 greater than V01 if the frequencies are of order V3 greater than V2 greater than V1. This implies that greater the frequency of incident radiation, greater the maximum kinetic energy of photoelectrons. Consecutively, we need greater retarding potential to stop them completely. Now, we will see a graph between frequency of incident radiation and corresponding stopping potential. If we plot a graph between frequency of incident radiation and corresponding stopping potential for different values, we get a straight line. Here in this graph, mu naught is the cutoff frequency and mu is the frequency. The graph shows that the stopping potential mu naught varies linearly with frequency of incident radiation for given photosensitive material. There exists a certain minimum cutoff frequency mu naught for which stopping potential is 0. These observations have two applications. The maximum kinetic energy of photoelectrons varies linearly with frequency of incident radiation but is independent of its intensity. For the frequency mu of incident radiation lower than the cutoff frequency mu naught, no photoelectric emission is possible even if the intensity is large. The minimum cutoff frequency mu naught is called the threshold frequency. It is different for different materials.